Hi guys, welcome back. This is 20 Gaming again. Bring another Lost Sword content. If you're enjoying the content in this channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers. Hopefully, we reach it before the end of the year. That goal is from last year, so hopefully we reach that, and hopefully in the future maybe we reach 10k maybe. But like 5k would be the step moving forward. So we need your help. Like I need your help. So if you're enjoying the content, please do consider subscribing. And currently, right now, the Lost Sword Devs has given us already an update in Discord telling us that there's gonna be a vote for a free costume. The same as Nikkei wherein they give us a vote, they give us a character, and you choose that costume. But this one, it's a bit different. Wherein it's all up to you what do you want to have as a character and what do they want to wear, what do they wear in a way. So, this one is up until March 31 only, so you need to be voting now. And then you just click this Google Doc, and then it will lead you to that certain link. Okay, so if you go to Google, so this is what you're gonna be seeing. So see, this is gonna be what you're seeing right now. So vote for your character you want. Morgana Le Fay. We're gonna be voting now. Okay, we're gonna be voting now. So people are saying they want Morgana Le Fay because she is meta and they want to see her all the time, which is like granted, but she already has a costume, but like that's a bought in costume. So Lueria, Galahad, Lueria has already a costume. If you want another Lueria costume, go ahead. Galahad has already a costume. Belsi has already a costume. Tiamat has a costume. Neo has a costume. Diane Kent has a costume. Lisa, on the other hand, doesn't have a costume, but her usability is, I think, still in question in a way. That's why I want Lisa because Lisa is one of my favorite. That smug face of her is really cool. I want to Morgana Le Fay, but the thing is I already have the skin for her. I know that you need to buy it, but if you're free to play, most likely Morgana Le Fay would be your choose. You're gonna be choosing Morgana Le Fay as a free skin. Maybe I would like because I already have the skin. So just disregard my opinion, okay? Me on the other hand, I want a Merlin costume, a skin. You know why? Because if you have Yumi, you're gonna be using Merlin all the time because you need at least a Frost character beside her. So I'm gonna be using Merlin, but like all of this from the top to going to Merlin is good. Ran going there, everybody looking good, but like again from top until Ran, I think we're good. Maybe include Lohengrin there until Lohengrin. Lancelot already she has a costume or a skin. So the concept of the costume for my Merlin, we're used to the bunny girl, reverse bunny girl. Just like the cowgirl, huh? Bikini, lingerie, daily look, office look, S&M, workout outfit, pilates, cheerleader, boyfriend shirt, magical girl. The boyfriend shirt is just like, Rappy. Magical girl, Merlin, nah. We'll go reverse bunny girl. Reverse bunny girl, and we'll submit reverse bunny girl Merlin. That's gonna be wild, reverse bunny girl Merlin. So let's see, let's submit that. Okay, so I've submitted that. What do you think? Do you want I would like to hear from you down in the comment section down below. I feel like Morgana Le Fay will win it because like not everybody is like spending skins, but like on my part, I already have the skin of Morgana Le Fay. I'd rather go with Merlin, but like reverse cowgirl, that's gonna be crazy. Reverse bunny girl outfit. So yeah, that's it for me, guys. This is 2000 Gaming. Please do consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.